Boys and girls, we're going to do the 3 times tables today. This is just a quick introduction to the 3 times tables. It's something you're going to have to practice and just keep working on. But I want to try to explain it to you in the simplest of ways. And I think this book by Usborne does a fantastic job. So here's the 3 times tables. We have 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And if you count by threes, 3, 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 3 times 9 is 27. Again, if we count by threes 9 times, we'll get to 27. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. 3 times 10 is 30. Remember that trick with the 10? If you're multiplying by 10, then you can just take that number and stick a 0 beside it, which would give you 30. But you can also count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3 times 11 is 33. Remember how 3 times 1 is 3? Well, this one has two ones there, right? 11's made of 2 ones. 3 times 3 is 3, and 3 times, I'm sorry, not 3 times 3. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. So 33. But we can also count by threes 11 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. And then 3 times 12 is 36. And look, if you remember your 2 times tables, 3 times 2, 2, 4, 6, right? 3 times 2, 2, 4, 6 would be 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. There's 3 times 1, that would be 3. And then there's 36. So there's other ways to think of them, but counting by threes is the best way if you get stuck. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Can you spot a pattern in the 3 times answers? Let's look at them. Can you spot a pattern anywhere? The numbers in the answers always add up to 3, 6, or 9. So let's take a look at what that means. The numbers in the answers always add up to 3, 6, or 9. That one's 3. That one's 6. That one's 9. What's 2 plus 1? 3. What's 1 plus 5? 6. What's 1 plus 8? 9. What's 2 plus 1? 3. What's 2 plus 4? 6. What's 2 plus 7? 9. What's 3 plus 0? 3. What's 3 plus 3? 6. What's 3 plus 6? 9. So no matter what my answer is in the 3 times tables, 3, 6, or 9 would be the total if I were to add these together. Like 1 plus 5 is 6. So if you get something like, let's say, 19, what's 1 plus 9? Well, 1 plus 9 is 10. So that means you made a mistake, because any number, any answer you get in the 3 times tables has to add up to 3, 6, or 9. So if you get 19, like I just suggested, that means there's a mistake somewhere. Okay? Because 9 plus 1 would be 10. It wouldn't be 9, it wouldn't be 6, and it wouldn't be 3. All right, so that's just a little trick. Let's see what the book says. The 3 times table is for counting in threes. If a shooting star has 3 tails, how many tails would 5 shooting stars have? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shooting stars, and each one has 3 tails. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 times 5 is 15. This spaceship has 4 fuel tanks, each holding 3 splurges. How many splurges does it take to fill them all up? 3 times 4 is 12. I guess these little guys are the splurges. 1, 2, 3. Am I missing one? 3 times 4. I guess this one's 1. I'm trying to look at the picture better. Oh, here's the 4th one right here. There's the, okay. And there's 3 little flames coming out of each one. So 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 4 little spaceships and 3 little fire things shooting out the back. So 3, 6, 9, 12. How many aliens live on this planet if there is a family of 3 in each crater? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they might be counting that crater, which would be 6. So let's look. Yep, they're counting it. So there's 6 craters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 craters. 3 in each crater. Those are odd looking aliens, aren't they? So 3 times 6, that means we have 18 altogether. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3 times 6 is 18. If a planet has 3 moons, how many moons do 7 planets have? So that would be 7 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 planets. And if you look at these pictures, each one has 3 moons going around it in orbit. So with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 3 times 7 is 21. And look at that. 2 plus 1 would give you 3. So that's a helper to check yourself. Here's a rocket. It takes 3 astronauts to fly a rocket. How many astronauts do you need to fly 3 rockets? 3 to fly 1 rocket. So 3 rockets would be 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. The scientist can see 10 times more stars through his telescope than you can see here. How many will he see? Well, he's looking at 3, it looks like. So 10 times 3. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. There's 30 stars. If you have to, you can count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 3 times 10 is 30. Okay, so that's the 3 times tables. You need to memorize these. Counting by 3s is great practice to help. If you get to a times table where you're having some trouble, remember to just do some skip counting first to practice skip counting. And these are basically, you can figure them up if you think about them, but if you can memorize them and say them like this, it'll be best. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 12 is 36. You should be able to do them really fast before 3rd grade. So work on that this summer. Work on that anytime you get a chance. You can get multiplication flashcards. You can use this. You can write them out on paper, Post-it notes, index cards, whatever you have, and practice, practice, practice. All right, have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.